Where are you going? Walking? Walking to the lake. We're walking to the lake behind our house, home. Yeah, it's really cold here, but it's just some sort of exercise. Right? That's the train carrying logs or woods. It's too long. The railway is just behind our home. Now that's the end. Okay. And behind that, see, you can see there, that's the lake. We are going that side. You'll just turn right and cross the railroad, and then we will reach the lake. See you, bye. We are here now. This is the railroad, and that's the lake. We are going down there. Yeah, it's where the train just passed by a while ago. Let's go down. Wait. Go, go, go. There. That side. Not there. Hug din akong phone ro. Wait. Tagbuar agud ko. Tagbuar ko kay. Go, go, go. Okay. Okay. It's a bit high. No. Oh, no, it's not ice. Yeah. Do we have to go there or no? Huh? We go to the beach? Yeah. That side is there. That side, you see there is a little blue there. That is the beach. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit sunny over there. Ami, hug ka diya ha. Careful. Huh? No, it's cold. Oh. Anapod ka. Let's go. So, ngutot ka. Ano puti mo na imo gisulob? Buo. Kato daing black nga akong gihatag nimo. Or katong brown. Mao man to'y pang walking. Di man na mao. White man na imong gamit. Pilipinas. Duterte pa rin. Pilipinas. Duterte pa rin. Ang tunay na nagmamahal sa atin. Oh, naog dito. Laban niya ay laban natin. Pilipinas. Ay mo, lingkod siguro dia. Duterte pa rin. See how beautiful nature is. Very beautiful. Army. Wait. We're going to that and then come back. It's far, Army. We don't need to cross that because it's difficult to cross. Anday tao diri, Army. Balik ta, Army, ay. Di lisod biya to na, biya to yung mga bato-bato niya na murag river. Balik na ta. Kay tugnaw na dito. Dili, oy. Ni tuyok, ni kuan biya ta ato, ni saka biya tas mga bato niya na ay tubig. Tara, balik na kay tugnaw, oh. Tugnaw na ko. Tara na.
Usara may mga ikaw niya. Katong saninang pambalay.
O gani, patungan rin ako. Tugnaw. Tara si nanay ay. Nag-inusara si nanay. Siya usa. Ang mga tiguang diri, bisag mga 90 years old, kugihan kay mag-walking sa forest. Hindi na sila. Wala may kuyaw diri ang forest. Good. Wala man kay makita ang mga hayop. Peaceful kaayo. At taras nanay. Murag 80 years old. Naman siguro ni siya kapin. Okay. Bye. My phone's battery is over. Almost over. That's how beautiful the lake is here. Here's a robot delivering groceries.